Hello friends, today I am talking about Potensic C0 Mini Drone in-depth analysis, camera system, professional grade. Aerial imaging, the Adams camera system stands out as one of its most impressive features, positioned to compete with more expensive drone models. Advanced camera technology, Sony CMOS sensor performance. The 1/3-inch Sony sensor delivers exceptional dynamic range and color accuracy, 4K resolution details. Records at 3840 by 2160 pixels at 30 frames per second for cinematic quality footage. 12-megapixel photography captures high-resolution still images ideal for landscapes and aerial photography, 3-axis mechanical gimbal. Unlike electronic stabilization in cheaper drones, the mechanical gimbal physically compensates for movement in all directions. Pitch, up, down, roll, side to side, yaw, rotation. Brushless gimbal motors provide smoother movements and longer operational life. Intelligent photography features, QuickShots modes, automated flight patterns for creating professional-looking footage. Drone flies backward and upward with a camera locked on the subject circle. Orbits around a subject while keeping them in frame. Helix combines ascending with circular flight for spiral effects. Rocket flies straight up with camera pointing down.
Visual tracking technology recognizes and locks onto subjects, automatically maintains framing, even as subjects move. Works with people, vehicles, and other moving objects. Flight performance and control, advanced flight systems. PicSync 3.0. Transmission, 6 kilometers maximum range in ideal conditions. HD video feed to smartphone during flight. Low latency control for responsive piloting. GPS positioning system. Precise hovering with minimal drift. Enables accurate waypoint navigation. Supports reliable return to home functionality. Flight modes and performance video mode. Optimized for smooth, stable footage with gentle movements. Normal mode. Balanced flight characteristics for everyday use. Sport mode unlocks the drone's full speed capabilities, up to 16 meters per second or 57.6 kilometers per hour. Wind resistance capabilities. Level 5 wind resistance, approximately 19 to 24 miles per hour winds. Maintains stability in challenging conditions. Ideal for coastal and open area. Flying battery and power management. Flight time optimization, up to 29 minutes per battery in ideal conditions. Intelligent power management system. Real-time battery monitoring through app. Fast charging system. 1.5-hour full charge time. Multi-battery charging hub with Fly More combo. Enough power for up to 87 minutes of total flight time with 3 batteries. Design and portability. Engineering and build. Quality lightweight construction materials. High-strength, low-weight composite materials. Reinforced at critical stress points. Designed to maximize flight time while maintaining durability. Foldable architecture. Arms fold inward for compact storage. Propellers designed for quick assembly, disassembly. Fits easily in the included carrying case. Practical transportation advantages. Sub 250 grams. Weight classification. Exempted from registration requirements in many countries. Less restrictive flight regulations. Easier to travel with internationally. Compact dimensions. When folded, small enough to fit in jacket pocket or small bag. Complete kit with controller and spare batteries fits in the included case. Ideal for backpackers, hikers, and travelers. Controller and app integration. Remote controller design, ergonomic features. Comfortable grip for extended flight sessions. Intuitive control layout. Integrated smartphone holder. Transmission. Technology, extended range transmission system. Strong anti-interference capabilities. Reliable connection even in congested radio environments. Smartphone. App capabilities. Flight planning features. Waypoint navigation setting. Flight path programming. No-fly zone awareness. Camera controls. Exposure adjustments. filter settings, recording controls, flight telemetry display, real-time altitude and distance information, battery status monitoring, GPS signal, strength indicators, comparison to competitors. The Potensic Atom positions itself competitively against similar portable drones like the DJI Mini series. Some key differentiating factors include price-to-performance ratio, offers features typically found in higher-priced models. Included accessories. The Fly More combo provides excellent value with 3 batteries and a charging hub. Camera quality. The Sony sensor and 3-axis gimbal compete with more expensive alternatives. Wind resistance. Level 5 resistance exceeds many drones in this weight class. Ideal use cases. Content creation. Social media content. Perfect for creating engaging aerial content for platforms like Instagram and YouTube. Travel vlogs. Lightweight enough to bring on any trip for unique perspectives. Real estate photography. Professional quality aerial imagery for property listings. Recreational use. Family events. Capture gatherings, beach days, and outdoor activities from above. Hiking and adventure. Document explorations without adding significant weight to gear. Skill development. Accessible enough for beginners while offering advanced features to grow into. Conclusion. The Potensic Atom combines impressive technical specifications with practical design considerations, resulting in a highly versatile drone suitable for various applications. Its balance of portability, camera quality, and intelligent features makes it an attractive option for both casual users and serious aerial photographers looking for a travel-friendly solution. For those considering entering the drone photography space or experienced pilots seeking a more portable option, the Atom offers compelling value, especially in the Fly More combo configuration with its expanded battery capacity and accessories.